Today, you are going to discover how our one-of-a-kind, all-in-one digital marketing platform has everything you need to sell your products and services online without having to use multiple tools that may not even be compatible together, and for one low monthly price. Plus, potentially earn 100% commissions when you recommend our solution to others. If you're an affiliate marketer, network marketer, small business owner, or a solo digital entrepreneur like a coach, a health practitioner, etc., and you and your business are not online, I hate to tell you this, but the future of your income is at serious risk. This is a booming time for massive opportunity. But where do you start? Because to build a business online, you need websites, email, autoresponders, customer relationship management systems, e-commerce systems to sell your products, lead generation systems, funnel building capability, video marketing tools, digital promotional tools, webinar software. Are you spending more in monthly marketing expenses than you are making a profit? Maybe you see yourself as those big brick and mortar giants who are spending more than they're actually making. So they're moving their forces online. Or maybe you have been wasting time trying to piece together all the tools you need to build your business online. Or maybe you're building a business but have zero leverage and need the tools and systems to increase lead generation, sales, and signups for your products and services. Or perhaps you're like me and you also love affiliate marketing and creating leveraged recurring income online and making, let's be honest, sleep money. Well, if that sounds like you, Builderall can help. So what is Builderall? Well, Builderall is an all-in-one digital marketing platform designed to help you eliminate the need for multiple pricey tools to run your business at a crazy affordable price, so you can focus on building your business and keeping more profits in your pockets. We have web page builders, you can build funnels, we have an unlimited autoresponder, unlimited professional email, you can host websites and funnels with free SSL included. We have e-commerce tools so you can sell your products. We have proprietary chatbot that links to our autoresponder so you always own your list, unlike some of the other tools out there. We have a webinar platform, promo video tools, 3D mockup tools, copywriting script generator, live chat support, the Builderall canvas, which helps map out funnels and instantly generate them. We'll have a flippable online magazine, which is great if you're an author or if you create books, a CRM, which is a customer relationship manager software, e-commerce in partnership with Magento, new and improved redesigned e-learning platform so you can sell your courses, new checkout systems, an affiliate checkout system, which is the ability to create affiliates to sell your products, and we have an amazing supportive community. So here are just some of the tools that Builderall replaces. So if you have a little calculator handy, I would go ahead and add some of these things up. So we replace your website builder, lead capture page builders, funnel builders, social proof tools, e-commerce, autoresponder, copywriting script tools, funnel mapping, which that's our Builderall canvas. We also have our e-learning center so you can build your courses. So if you're using Teachable or Thinkific, you can use our e-learning center. We've got mobile app builders. I kept the funnel builder in there probably because it costs twice as much than Builderall's. We have a product mockup creator, webinar platform, autoresponder, chatbot, video promo tools. I mean, the list goes on and the value never ends. So this is what kind of like my business looked like before Builderall. I had an autoresponder, a funnel builder. If I wanted to upgrade that funnel builder so it would connect with the in-house autoresponder, it would have cost $297 per month, not per year, per month. I was spending money on WordPress plugins, anywhere from $497 to more per year. A copywriting script was $297. So this is just like scratching the surface. And then after Builderall, I had my autoresponder included, my funnel builder was included, my website builder was included, my unlimited funnels were included, my professional email was included, my SSL certificate was included, my video promo tools were included, my webinar platform was included, my copyright script was included, and so much more. And yeah, I know that might look like a typo. And I was like, what? I was expecting to pay over $200 for Builderall. Let's talk about how you can make more money with Builderall online. Okay, there's a lot of ways to make money inside of Builderall. There's a lot of people creating their own little economy using Builderall, using their tools, using the systems, the platform, the affiliate program. And here are just 5 ways to get your wheels turning. So number 1, you can provide done-for-you services for clients with our tools. So you can pick a tool right now, whether it's the Pixel Perfect Builder or maybe the Video Wrapper tool, and you can build stuff for clients for a fee. You can build a 2-page funnel and sell that. You can create a promo video for a client for their Facebook wall, okay, a promo video using our Video Wrapper tool. You can earn a quick $150 just using our Video Wrapper tool. You can build websites for clients or funnels for clients. You can use our e-commerce platform to sell your own products. So if you sell jewelry or you sell clothes or little knickknacks, or maybe you had a store on Etsy or Shopify, you can now come over here and you can build your product base with our e-commerce platform featuring Magento, which is going to be launching on July 4th. And of course, my favorite, the Builderall Leveraged Affiliate Program, because I love to teach people how to build a business that also allows them to have a life. I love to show people that they don't need to be on their computer all day to generate more leads, sales, and signups. And using Builderall's tools, I am able to get trainings out there and my own digital products out there because Builderall helps me do that. And in doing so, I'm also able to expose more people to their products, which just by the nature of sharing this amazing platform that creates time freedom for people and leverage in people's business, I automatically, by default, I earn more money with Builderall. So here are 4 ways, now that we're speaking about the affiliate program, that you can make money with Builderall. So you have your first month direct sales, which are any sales that you make. So you're also going to be earning recurring monthly commissions. And this is what I love about Builderall. Builderall is a software as a service. And there are certain things people don't typically cancel. Now, of course, you can expect some sort of attrition, as with everything. But like when you're building a website with a hosting provider like GoDaddy, HostGator, Bluehost, etc., as long as you're still in business, you need your website, so you're going to keep paying for that hosting. Well, imagine if you could earn money every time someone builds a website and needs that website to continue running their business, and you continue to earn every single month as long as that person pays their bill. This is the most lucrative, stable, growing income I have ever experienced in my entire online career. And it's because once people plant roots, they build funnels, they build websites, they need them to keep running if they are doing it for business. So that really creates a more stable income for you in the long run. We are going to have a new retention bonus, which means more money for you. And we have a car bonus incentive, which will grow incrementally as you sign up more people. And this software is just so unique and so incredibly one of a kind, special, that, you know, people sign up and a lot of people love it and they see the value and they see what they're getting charged in other platforms and they're like, no, I'm planting my flag inside Builderall. So you can create a stable, recurring, growing income, and as icing on the cake, you also get a car bonus to boot. So that is amazing.
I'm excited about everything that's coming out because I've been excited since day one because I cut down my freaking expenses to like 90% that I was spending, a couple of close to, almost $1,000 that I was spending in marketing, tools, this little shiny thing and that. And then Builderall came and saved my life. So I'm excited about everything, but a little thing that puts, I guess, a little cherry on top is that webinar platform, guys. Mm-hmm. Now this is amazing. No more, we love Zoom. Zoom is great, but as you saw, it was having issues. We couldn't even get on Facebook.
Right.
So that means another expense that's gonna go bye-bye.
The vision of our CEO, Eric Salgado, who has a very humble story with very humble beginnings, his vision is to have one entrepreneur in every home. And in order to have one entrepreneur in every home, Builderall has got to be accessible for everyone. It doesn't matter how much money you make. It doesn't matter what walk of life you come from. It doesn't matter how much money you have, and you have faith and you have focus and you take massive action. You can do anything you want. You can build anything you want. If you can dream it, you can build it inside of Builderall.
And I am an affiliate marketer, and I own a small virtual assistant business in Virginia. Before Builderall, I was a longtime WordPress user. And although I was a longtime user, I did struggle to build really effective sales and lead generation funnels and websites for myself and on behalf of my clients. I would experience things like compatibility issues with WordPress plugins, my pages taking forever to load in the browser, the inability to be really creative with WordPress and make my sites really unique. Then there were the attempts by hackers to try to bring my sites down and the constant WordPress updates. So I reached a point where I just had enough with WordPress, but I was really afraid to let it go. I did not know what other platform I could turn to. Builderall has been a true blessing to me as an affiliate marketer and virtual assistant. With Builderall, I can now build really effective sales and lead generation funnels for myself and on behalf of my clients. This platform has helped me increase productivity and revenue within my online businesses.
When we talk about $69.90, whether you're dealing with a person that wants to go full online business or they've got an offline business that they're adding online marketing, doesn't matter. If you start talking and breaking it down on what all you get with Builderall compared to buying each one individually, that's where the rubber hits the road, right? Because if we pay for each one of these individually, it'd be a whole heck of a lot more than $69.90 for sure. Even getting the cheapest of the cheap that doesn't even work. That is the truth, right? If we put in a social proof tool and we put in the webinar platform alone, Zoom is $55 per month. So just the webinar platform alone is worth it. But then when you throw the Pixel Perfect and Canvas and all the training, and think about the boot camps. You guys, a lot of you guys have been through the boot camps. I don't hold anything back, right? I hold nothing back. So these are thousands of dollars worth of training that you get free along with the tool, right? So there's so much value in it rolled up into that $69.90 that to me, it's ridiculous for anyone to say, whether they're online or offline, to say, yeah, $69.90 is too much. What that tells me is they're really not interested in doing the business. They're not in that entrepreneur mindset for sure, and they don't understand the value of what they're getting for that $70.